Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here. And today is a follow-up day, and it's just going to be a very little one. And here's why. Today is Tuesday. I just bumped this camera, sorry. Today is Tuesday, and I'm leaving on Wednesday around midnight to go to Moncton, to drive to Moncton, which is about an hour and a half away. Well, about an hour away. And then my flight leaves at 5 o'clock in the morning. So by the time we get settled in, and here's the problem. We probably leave about 1 in the morning. But here's the problem. We are getting a big storm tonight. Today's Tuesday. And it looks like Moncton is going to be hit the hardest. So Tom said maybe I might have to go to the airport tomorrow during the day, just in case we run into problems, just in case, you know, he can't get me there, you know, with the weather, and or, you know, he might get stuck there with me. I don't know. So we're making plans that I'm leaving tomorrow afternoon if the weather is really, really bad, and if it continues to get worse, according to the weather advisors. But yeah, it's supposed to be a really big storm. So I am frantically packing and doing everything I can to get ready. So my follow-up today is just to say, yes, I'm going to be gone for a couple of weeks, but there will be other videos that I will post while I'm on holidays. I'll get you to, or I'll let you see some of the thrifting that I go on. I'll do a couple of thrifty Canucks videos in between, and, you know, any little thing that I can to be creative and share with you, I will certainly do that. As well as, you know, hopefully you'll get to see some of my gal pals' hands and some of the things that they're working on and their creativity. And yeah, I'm going to try to share whatever I can with you. So a couple of things I want to talk about is friend requests. I have had so many friend requests, and I have absolutely no problem being friends with any of you at all. However, I've been answering and accepting friendships from a lot of people that I do kind of look, and I see that they have friends that we share the same friends, and, you know, they are junk journalers. I don't just let anybody friend me. But I find that quite a few of them have been hacked. Yes. So I am not accepting friendships just on the fly. If you want me to be your friend, then you got to send me a message with it. And in your message, you have to say something that is related to our friendship, and, you know, that you know me on YouTube or Facebook, and, you know, a little bit more about you and what we're doing here. And I don't want to go into great detail because, you know, the trolls, right? So you know what it is we do. You can pick things out of my videos. You can pick things out of my pages. So if you want to friend me, I would love to be friends with you anytime. But I do want you to send me a message that includes something that says that, okay, this is a real person. Because I've had to block a lot of people lately because I'm getting these really weird messages and requests. So just so you know, and yeah, for those of you that are out there, just be careful, because I cannot believe how many requests I've had in the last couple of months that have been bogus. So just be careful who you're accepting a friendship from as well. So that's that. And then I just want to touch on my coffee website because I by the time this video is up, I should have the latest digitals. I made 4 for the free section and 4 for the subscribers who subscribe to my membership. They have the options of other collage sheets that the free ones don't include. As well, they get to take advantage of all the free ones. So they have twice as many, almost. We're getting there. We're not quite there, but we're getting closer. And so the first thing I want to share with you is, this was that brown a scrapbook paper, well, off-white, kind of a yellowy color. this was the scrapbook paper that I got 5 packages. If you watched my haul the other day, I took one package upstairs so I could print on it and show you right away. And so I was telling you that I was going to print some documents. And I have some 1845 French, just one set of French documents. It's 4 pages. And this is going to be listed on the free side. So it's open to anybody to go and download. And you'll find the links to my Ko-fi site below in the description on this video. Actually, it'll be on any video. And I suggest you subscribe there as well, because then you'll get regular updates from my shop. Like if you click the follow button, you'll get updates from my shop as soon as I upload anything new. So it's a 4-page document, and I printed it on this paper just to show you how cool this old paper or this scrap paper looks. And, you know, just inking it up and tearing the edges and distressing it a little bit. I use an emery board to distress. I don't think I have one handy. No, not right now. But I will tear the edges first and then just use an emery board to rough them up a little bit. Yeah, I think I took everything off my desk that I wasn't using at the time, because I get a little overloaded here. So yeah, I just tear the edges, and then I will use an emery board to scratch them up a little bit more. And now I'm just tearing this by hand. You know I'm going to get one of those great big gouges just because you're watching. You know, those big bites out of your paper. But this is how I usually do it. And it's not going to be perfect, but I'm just going to quickly show you how different it'll look. And actually, Christine Demers from Christina's Creations, Christina Demers. I think that's how you say your last name, Christine, isn't it? She has a tutorial. I don't know if I'll remember to link it, but she's just finished doing some distress paper, and she did such a great job on it. I think you should have a visit to her channel. Just because, you know, even though we do the same things, we all put a tiny little thing different in our methods and our madness. And so it's always good to watch 2 or 3 videos of the same kind that, you know, everybody's got their own tips and techniques of how they do things. And, yeah, I like her madness. So go and visit her channel. She's got some fun videos that she posted up there. Yeah, this is getting a little chewed up. But this is what I like to do. You know, I like to make it look like it's been old and worn. And then I just take it and scrunch it up. Sometimes I fold them too, so that you can tell that the document's been folded and distressed. I did a video a while back showing you something similar to this. And yeah, just kind of fold it up. And then I'll take my ink. And of course I don't have anything handy because I was working upstairs today for a little bit. Yeah, I got all my my homework done, you guys. For those of you that are doing Techniques Tuesday, I did get all my homework done already. And so I will just ink this up along those creases to make it look like, you know, it's been folded and unfolded. Yeah, this is not the best ink pad that I have here either. It's kind of an espresso mix. And then I will just go along the edges a little bit here and there on the paper. And the same with on this side. I'll just kind of follow the lines and creases that I've made. Yeah, it's probably not the best color that I'm using. And I also print on both sides normally too, so this one is a little bit different because I didn't print on both sides. But this was just really to show you. And these papers will be good to add as collage fodder and to use making masterboards and things. And for those of you that are going to be making masterboards as part of your homework, I already did those too. You might want to go and print some of these to add into your collage for your masterboards. But this just gives you an idea. So when you open it up, like you can see the difference here already, how it looks much older. And if you compare it now to how it looks against one of those sheets, you can see how it's changed a lot. So a very simple project to do. And the idea was to show you that if you do get this paper, it's excellent to print on. I cut it down to 8.5 by 11, sometimes a little bit wider, and then I just print whatever I want on there. And just to give you an idea, now this is one of the digitals for the subscribers on my channel, or one of the images, and so I did some French ladies on here, and they printed very nice. And so this can be cut out for journal cards and all kinds of things. And then I will still use the scrap pieces for labels and little tidbits and stuff. So those are the 4 sheets that I'm giving in the free printables. And then in my subscribers, they will get, there's the first sheet that I did for them. And so this has a nice mix of different sizes and styles. And then these are all my French stage beauties. Only some of them. I do have lots of them, and so they will slowly get brought into my subscriber collection. But just some fun images to play with in your journals. My French beauties. So that is what I wanted to show you today and tell you about today. And I'm going to miss you, but I'm still going to sort of talk to you in a way. Just don't know when or how yet. Maybe it'll be in a snowstorm. Maybe I'll be doing collage art in the airport. Who knows? I'm going to bring, my plan was to only bring 5 glue sticks because I could mooch off of everybody while I'm there. I don't have to bring paper. But now I'm second guessing myself because just in case I'm stuck at the airport, it would be fun to have a few things to play with. So I might bring a few collage sheets and maybe one Reader's Digest or something that I can cut up and also use as a glue board and cut it up at the same time. So who knows what I can get made in the airport while I'm waiting and if I'm stuck in a snowstorm. But I will certainly let you know by video if I do. Other than that, of course, it's like I said, it's going to be a crazy couple of weeks, but I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm going to have fun, and I will share the whole experience with you. And I look forward to seeing all of you when I get back with lots of new ideas, because I don't sleep that much. So I wish you all a very creative couple of weeks and a creative day today. And hopefully you have better weather than we do. Yeah, it's starting to snow already. Yikes. Okay, I might be doing some art. Airport art will be my next thing. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now. Have a great day.